What's up, guys? Here at the gym training, getting ready to at least. We got all kind of shit going on today. There's a party, a bunch of people doing strongman shit, and I'm gonna come in here and fuck shit up. Today, you know, you hear me talk about instinctive training a lot, and everybody's like, well, what's that mean? I mean, I just go by, today's one of them days, it's been a long week, long weekend of filming, done a whole ton of shit for hours a day, actually working really hard lately. So, hence, a little bit of ape shit, I'll take a scoop of that, and I took a scoop of the Intracell with 7 caps of Vasogorge. A little bit of stimulant, but today I'm just coming in here to get a nasty workout in. I'm just gonna do stuff that makes me, that I feel is working. I'll probably start out with some side laterals. You know, I don't do many presses anymore for shoulders, just because the front delts are already very dominant. But that doesn't mean like throughout the workout, if I'm feeling it, I might do a few, 2 to 3 sets of some presses with some moving some fucking weight. I don't know. So the whole goal with this, like I have an idea of what I want to accomplish in here, but I don't have a set workout. So as we're going to go through it, I'll post the workout in the section, in the info section of this video, so you can see the workout. But understand, my whole logic behind this is just to come in, have fun, get a fucking hell of a workout in, and have a good time. Like take out the whole entire like constricted, I need to follow a plan all the time. Just fuck shit up. Like you guys hear me post that, man. That's my goal today. I'm already getting warm. I can feel it. I can feel the heat. But that's it. Like I said, we'll probably start out with some side laterals, maybe do some rears. I feel like doing some heavy dumbbell shrugs today. I've been doing barbell lately, so probably some heavy dumbbell shrugs, maybe some upright rows. Throwing some presses if I'm feeling it. See how the shoulder feels. Warm up, Dr. Bubba, give me some shit. But that's it, man. So let's just get fucking rocking and rolling. Yeah. All right, so got a nice pump going, got a little bit of blood flow. I'm gonna do a reverse, fuck it, I'm running the rack from the bottom to the top. I'll probably start at like the 25s, 25s, work up to the 55s, 60s. I'm not gonna count the reps, I'm just gonna go fucking nuts. And then take a short break, and then work from the heavier end all the way back down. Maybe start back to 60, 65, do some reps, run the rack back down, and then move on to something else, because I'm feeling very full right now on the shoulders. Feels good. But let's get to fucking work. stupid bump now. That was hard. Get my shit together. But, all right, so right now I'm gonna move into doing some rear delts on this lovely shoulder apparatus that everybody's always asking about. It's by Paramount, called Total Shoulder. And I mean, this is my favorite shoulder machine that pretty much I've seen at any gym, simply because you can go from, you can superset the shit out of stuff. You could do a press into a side lateral or work with the rear delt, depending on how you grip the piece of equipment. And then it just feels good. It's a good motion. So I'm just gonna fuck around with this for the next exercise. We'll do, most of the majority of the time I'm gonna focus on the rears. I might do some presses. I feel pretty good. Throw a couple plates on, we'll see where it goes. Might turn into 3, I don't know. But let's go. All right, so that was a little intense. It was good. I needed to sweat this shit out. I had a couple beers the other day and ate some shitty food, so it felt good to be dripping sweat. But we did that workout in shit less than 45 minutes. So really intense, very fast paced. Moved some weight, but not so much. So you guys were able to kind of get a feel for like an instinctive training where I did a couple sets, felt like moving on, so I moved the fuck on. Felt like sticking with something like the side laterals. Crazy blood in the beginning, so, and whenever I pushed all that blood in the beginning into my shoulders, it like really set the tone for whenever I was doing rears, I just felt getting rounder and rounder. And then whenever I moved into plates and felt my front delts fill up. So, you know, me, I really like to set the tone right out of the gate with the fucking workout. So that's what we did with this. I felt great, feel good. Watch it a few times. I'll have the, I'll watch the video a few times myself so I know what the fuck I did, and we'll put it into the bio for you. But other than that, just finishing up my post-workout. I usually do a scoop of Intracell. This is watermelon, and then after this, I'll do a couple scoops of EA Max orange sherbet. Primeval Labs, nice shit. But fucking everybody, watch the video, go do the thing, and feel the burn, get the blood, move the blood, feel the pump. I'm fucking beat.